Hello, this is CR number 14, helper video number 5, the last one for CR 14. It says Devante pays $37.95 per month for a cell phone with unlimited minutes. At this rate, what will his cell phone cost for the year? Okay, well, we did this hopefully in 7th grade, which were equivalent ratios with unit rates. And because this is coming up in the future as one of our units, I want to make sure that we touch base on unit rates again. We are comparing cost to the time frame. So I'm going to put a T for time. So we know that this cell phone costs $37.95 per month. Okay, so that's 1 month. And if you want, instead of time, you can put months, like an M, because then you know the time is in months. That works as well. But I'm trying to figure out how much the cell phone costs in a year. Now, if I'm looking for a year, then that would mean how many months? Well, I know that 1 month is $37.95. I know that a year is what I'm looking for, and a year is 12 months. So that's what I'm actually looking for, how much it will cost over 12 months, because I have to have the same unit on the bottom for these to be equivalent ratios. Well, to go from 1 to a 12, I multiply by 12. That's pretty easy. And anything I do to the bottom, I'm going to do to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and show that. Now, I'm going to be honest. I have to go ahead and grab my calculator because I don't know what this is. So I'm going to do $37.95 times 12, and I get $455.40, because 0.4, we're talking money, I have to add a 0. So that's how much it costs per year, and here is that price. Good luck finding your unit rate.